Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Commerce Connector Learn Through Akanksha. So today's video is on legal environment, which is one of the component of business environment. So what basically legal environment is? So legal environment is sum total of act that has been passed to regulate and control and maintain business activities. Business activities such as sale and purchase of goods and services, to control and regulate industrial dispute. Industrial dispute means the conflicts that arises between the employer and the worker of the organization. So various acts has been passed to control such conflicts, to regulate partnership firms and various other companies, and to control the flow of foreign exchange in the economy. So we can say that legal environment is sum total of all these acts which has been passed to regulate business activities. Almost every aspect of business is regulated by law. Various legal regulations are followed while incorporation of organization, while listing the company in a stock exchange, and while the payment of taxes to the government. Legal regulations are also being followed while manufacturing and pricing of goods and services. It is well known to everyone that every country has a number of legal acts or regulations to ensure the nation interest, and some of these acts are Sale of Goods Act, Companies Act, Indian Partnership Act, Industrial Dispute Act, Consumer Protection Act, and all these acts influence business decision. In countries like India, there is a very rigorous legal provision on hunting of rare species. If anyone manufactures products which are made by using such species, then they have to get legal sanction. And if they do not do so, legal actions can be taken against them. To understand the effect of technological environment on various companies, we can here take the example of Nike. So Nike used trademark to protect their brand. Nike should keep an eye on the copyright, trademark, and patent laws to protect their company. The trademark include their famous swoosh symbol and the phrase just do it. Company also has to make sure that not they are not involved in child labor or breaking any employment rules. So that's all about technological environment. I am providing the link below in description box on other environments which are economic environment, political environment, and technological environment. If you have any doubt or suggestions regarding this video, please comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.